Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, please tell us something about yourself.
Okay. So, first of all, good afternoon, one and all. I'm Nikhil Rajani, and currently I'm pursuing electrical engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies. I'm in my final year, and I have done my senior secondary education from Guru Nanak Public School, and my secondary education from Jyotish Niketan. Um, I have developed some skills while doing my graduation. I have done Python, C, C++, and s- uh, some of the courses which is related to IT, and that is machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. And currently, I'm preparing for GATE, and even I have participated and volunteered in some of the NGOs that I'm part of. One is Robin Hood Army from Udaipur, and another is Udaipur Animal Feed. And recently, I have completed my campaign, which was the third year continuously. It's called Smile Wali Diwali, and I do it everywhere for small poor kids. So that's all me, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nikhil, a detailed introduction you have given. I just want to know your academic record, your percentages in 10th, 12th, and your current SGPA.
Okay, sir. My current SGPA is 9. My aggregate is 9 till 5th semester. And in 12th standard, I have scored 56%. And in 10th standard, I have scored 73%, sir.
Okay, Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
don't you think there is a very vast variation in the percentages?
Yes. So sometimes what happens when sometimes you become very overconfident in life, and sometimes you need a failure to get over it and to understand that life is not just very easy and you have to give your 100% to it. So sir, I think that failure was needed, and sir, after that I was fully focused on the goal I have, and I think I got more determined after that. So I believe that one failure which I had in 12th standard, I think it was needed for me. So yeah, that I think so I didn't work hard as well.
What was the reason basically other than being overconfident?
So
Where, where do you think you went wrong?
yes, sir. So, I used to be a very good in academics. So I believe that yeah, I'll do it. So I think overconfident was the one of the biggest reason. And second is, sir, I was not even disciplined. I was not disciplined at all. So now I am. I know that you have to be disciplined and positive. You have to be in positive attitude to achieve something. And I used to be very negative, sir. Like I didn't believe in myself. I had a lot of self doubts after the result of 12th standard published. So it's there was a lot of things going on in my personal life. So
And how did
right
you
now,
overcome that?
yes, sir. First of all, I tried meditation, and I have overcome that. I bring out the positivity in me. I have bring out the positive attitude, discipline, time management. So all these things were very. It was one of the trade which I was not proud of, but now I have all these things, and so I'm very happy that I just overcome all of this.
Okay. Uh,
Yes, sir.
Nikki, you said you done or you added a lot of skills. You said
Yes, sir.
Python, you also said artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
What is artificial intelligence basically?
So it is artificial intelligence is something you provide algorithm to a computer or a network, then it will understand that matlab, from the experience it will understand what decision you have to make according to all of this information. It will make a decision, and that will be suitable according to the situation.
Okay. So what course have you done?
So I have done fundamentals of artificial intelligence from NPTEL, and I have done one more courses of AI from YouTube. So
Okay.
yes, sir.
Uh, where do you think, Nikhil, artificial intelligence today
Yes, sir.
is most important in your field, that is electrical engineering?
So in electrical engineering, sir, even now nowadays people operate their motors from their mobile and computers, and So we required machine learning and as well as artificial intelligence both in that. So there we use artificial intelligence as well as machine learning related to some programming and algorithms.
Okay. You've done a lot of social work also, you said.
Yes, sir. Yes, and I like it.
How,
I like it a lot.
how did you get inspired for that, and how do you do it actually? Is there any organization, or how is it?
Yes, sir. As I told you, sir, I am part of two organization. One is Robin Hood Army. It provides meals to poor people, and it also provides education to needy people. It's like we go to villages and we teach there. So it gives us a lot of positivity. It gives us a lot of positive mindset because after that they become very happy. And so
Okay.
another organization I'm part of is Udaipur Animal Feed. So they provide food to stray dogs, and they go for food drives as well. And they also provide food to needy people on occasion of like recently we did a drive on Diwali. And apart from that, sir, I have my personal campaign as well. I run a campaign from last 3 years that is called Smile Wali Diwali.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Nikhil, why electrical engineering of all the
Um,
branches?
Yes, sir. Sir, to be honest, I wanted to choose the computer science and engineering, but my dad chose this option for me, and I think it worked out pretty well for me. And I have developed so many interests, and I have realized that I can do computer science skills as well as electrical engineering both while being electrical. So I have gained electrical knowledge as well as computer science knowledge. So it worked out pretty well for me, sir.
Okay, Nikhil, nice talking to you.
Same here, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. So as per the conversation of yours with Rathod sir, I just got an idea that you were interested for computer science, then you came to electrical, and you have the IT knowledge as well, but you
Yes,
want
sir.
to go for core as well as you want to go for gate also. So many varieties of options, right?
Yes, sir. I have a lot of things on my plate
You are
right now.
also doing social work and social activities.
Yes, sir.
So you have also set for the process in our institute, which has come for the IT profiles and where the electricals were also eligible. Have you
Yes, sir.
tried?
Yes, sir. I have part of it, sir. But in some of the companies, I think there was a company called VT Solutions. So the
Yes.
coding part, I didn't clear that. I didn't able to clear that.
So you have the interest for computer science, but
Yes,
don't
sir.
have the interest about coding.
So I have interest about coding. I have
Okay.
done some. I have made some project as well, small projects on Python.
Okay.
And yes, sir. It's like matlab, my coding is not that strong. Like I
Okay.
have interest, but
You
it's
have the
not that
interest, but
strong. Yeah.
that much expertise still
Yeah.
not
Yes, sir.
came.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you trying for getting the expertises
So
in the
right
field of
now my
coding
focus
also?
is on gate.
Okay.
Right now I'm
Okay.
preparing for gate. Yeah.
Okay. So when you have started your preparation of GATE examination,
So in fifth semester, in like when I was when we entered in third year, so I get started my preparation for
how
gate.
long you study in a day for
So
only for the GATE?
to be honest, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. It depends on how much time I get because there's college as well, there's projects, and there's a lot of things going on. So it depends on that how much time I'm making. I'm just clearing my stuff out and I'm making it to prepare for
How many
gate.
hours you feel that is needed to clear the GATE examination in a day?
So it depends on person to person because
For
if you have
example,
yes, sir.
how many hours it will take for Nikhil?
So if I'll study from now, I'll study 3 hours daily, then I think I can crack gate.
You can easily crack GATE.
Yes, sir.
So have you started your joined any kind of coaching or any kind of
No,
coaching for
sir.
that?
No, sir. No, sir.
So you are preparing by
By
yourself
my
only.
own. Yes, sir. I'm preparing by my own.
Why GATE? Why GATE?
So, I have talked to many people regarding in my field and other than my field as well. So, if they are from engineering, they say that gate is very important. And I have read a lot of things about gate as well on internet, and it opens your options everywhere. Like even if you want to go in a private company, it will open your option there. You will get more considered rather than a non-clarified gate. So it enhances your option and you have a choice. So I would like to keep my options open, sir, and that's why I want to appear for gate.
No doubt, GAT is one of the best option, and if somebody is preparing for GAT, he can easily
Yes, sir.
crack the many of the companies coming for the campuses also.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is definitely a good option. There is no
Yes,
doubt
sir.
about it. But why you thought about Pinnacle? It has only come for the campus. That's why, or do you feel that there is something related to your interest areas, or it is like so?
Okay. Sir, to be honest, this is the first core electrical company that is came in our campus.
Yeah.
And so I wanted to apply because, as I told to Rathore sir, I have lost my confidence like regarding getting placed on campus. So I was like, yeah, I want to prove myself something to me and to myself that yeah, I can also go ahead and. Pinnacle is a very good company, sir. It deals with designing of circuits and as well as the buildings. In first year, sir, I remember that we used to study CAD and CAM, and we used to make a lot of drawings. So it was fun. It was good. So yeah, I think I'm looking forward for it.
So tell me something about Nikhil, which makes Nikhil different from other classmates of yours in the field of core engineering. What do you have
So,
achieved?
sir, if to be honest, sir, in my class, many of the other people have more technical knowledge than me. I will not lie. But so what makes me different from them is whatever knowledge I have, I can present it and I can work on it from my full dedication, determination, and with a positive mindset. People have to be honest, people have a lot of knowledge, but they don't have a power to deliver it. They don't have the trait to deliver the knowledge. So I have one of that knowledge because I used to teach tuitions as well, home tuitions. So I know how if I have a knowledge, I can deliver it to someone else. So that is one of the trait that makes me different from others.
Okay. For example, you will apply for Pinnacle, and as per the eligibility, you are also eligible. You know, the core engineering company started with the campus for 2022 batch.
Yes, sir.
You have a good command over communication. I think your percentage is also good. If you will get offer, then will you go for it, or you still will go for the GATE and these all another options choices what you have, or you will join
So
the organization and you will prepare for another options?
So gate, I have to appear for gate. There's no doubt. But if I'll get selected in Pinnacle, I will go for it because, as I told you, that right now I want to start from somewhere. You know, we all start from scratch. So I want to start from somewhere, and I just want to believe in myself that yeah, from now, right now I'm here, and after 5 or 10 years, I'll grow further. Like not
Okay.
there, but yeah, I'll definitely grow further.
Okay. My last question to you: if in the field of BIM engineering, that is BIM, for which
Yes, sir.
the Pinnacle is known for,
Hmm.
how we can use artificial intelligence in the form of electrical engineering?
So can you repeat the question again?
For example, in the field of BIM engineering,
Hmm.
if you have to use artificial intelligence to make it more better, right?
Yes,
By
sir.
which your electrical engineering field can be used in that area. How you can do
Okay.
it?
So,
It is slightly complicated
hmm,
question,
hmm, hmm,
but
hmm.
how you can make it?
So we know that we make circuits like diagrams of circuits. I think if we need an output, for example, we need an output of voltage equals to a value. So we just enter the voltage. We'll enter the power we need. We'll operate the load we have. So we can give the data to the computer, and we can it can generate the circuit by their own. So we can I think we can use that.
Not satisfying much.
Because I don't have
Anything,
much knowledge
anything,
about it.
anything
So
more?
yes, sir.
How the artificial intelligence can be used in these specific areas?
In electrical field,
In the construction field for which the Pinnacle Infotech is doing working on that, because they are in the
so
core info solutions, they are working on softwares of the designing and these kind
yes,
of
sir.
construction
AutoCAD
areas.
and Luminous. I
Yeah.
have read
So
about it.
how artificial intelligence can be used?
So we can provide the length and width of the buildings or construction, whatever we want to provide, and it can generate the blueprints of the con- uh, building or something. So I don't know much about it.
Okay, okay, nice talking to you, Nikhil.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Are you ready for for
Yes,
technical.
sir.
Okay, what is the condition for maximum efficiency in transformer?
Maximum efficiency in transformer. सर लॉसेस को कम कर देंगे. सर करंट, अगर करंट कम होगी एट प्राइमरी तो कॉपर लॉसेस कम होंगे, लाइक आई स्क्वायर आर. और सर अगर हम रेजिस्टेंस को भी कम कर देंगे तो कॉपर लॉसेस कम होंगी सर. और फॉर
अच्छा ये बताओ, अच्छा ये बताओ, आप करंट को क्यों कम कर रहे हो? करंट इज डिपेंड ऑन लोड ना.
यस सर, वोल्टेज को कम कर देंगे.
हाँ, मतलब ये है आपके पास है ना, एफिशिएंसी के लिए देयर इज ए वन कंडीशन, है ना.
यस
मैं
सर.
फीडबैक भी आपका कंटिन्यूसली साइमल्टेनियसली दे रहा हूँ. यू नो दैट वेरिएबल लॉसेस इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट लॉसेस.
यस सर.
Copper losses is equal to core losses, then efficiency is maximum. This is the
यस सर.
very important question for any type of interviews.
यस सर.
Okay, why we use starters in induction motors? Why we use starters in induction motors?
In induction motor, sir, sometimes we have to provide the excitation to the motor because it will, sir, sometimes we need to magnetize the magnet because it will, then if it will magnetize the magnet, then it will provide the flux. It will rotate the rotor.
Okay, Nikhil, all the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.